Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Good morning, Lions. It's me, Kat, with A Better Life with Kat, and today is Monday. So what are we going to do? We're going to get up early before the family that we care for and take care of ourselves first by doing our morning routine, all the way from the bathroom to the kitchen. And if you can make the bed, that's great too. If someone's in it, you'll have to wait till they're out or have them do that job. Or in my case, I make my half, my husband makes his half, it works out. So today, after your morning routine, you're going to put your children or those you love through their morning routine, and when that's done, you've got a great start on the day. For payroll Lions, you're going to say goodbye to the home, and you're going to get in your car or your means of transportation and go to work. When you get there, you're going to say hello to your coworkers, your employees, your friends, get a glass of water, maybe a cup of coffee, go to your nice beautiful desk. It's a brand new week. Open that control journal. What is it that you have for goals for this month, this week, today? What are your everyday things that need to be done, your maintenance things? And don't forget at the end of the day, the cleanup routine, right? So that's what you're doing today, along with, if you work a traditional job, having 2 breaks and a lunch. And on those 2 breaks and the lunch, we're going to see what we can get done to save ourselves from working too much on Saturday. So hopefully this Saturday you didn't have to work too much, but if you did, let's think about how we can change it a little bit, okay? All right, now delegation is an absolutely beautiful option. Delegation is something I highly recommend when you're a working mom. I really do. All right, so let's see. Let's go look at our at-home Lions and see what they're doing. So at-home Lions, hello and good morning. Our morning routine is done. Time to put the laundry in, and while the laundry's going, go through your paper routine. 1 inch of paper, and this time we are not talking about sentimental clutter, we're talking about paper. Paper, like bills, advertisements, just junk that you pulled into the house. So we're going through all that paper, 15 minutes at a time, 1 inch, not even 15 minutes, 1 inch at a time. That kind of paper is 99% trash. You're going to find out if there's any bills or any action items in there and put them in your inbox, and anything that might need to be filed will go in your inbox. Everything else goes in the shred, the recycle, whatever it is you do in your area. All right, then after we do the paper, which is 5 minutes, then we're going and make sure to keep doing that with your mail as well. We're going to go ahead and go to our basic weekly plan, and today is Monday. Yeehaw! It is weekly home blessing hour, and our house will look great and you will feel fabulous after you do this quick little 1 hour blessing. This is not a deep clean. This is not pull out the Windex and pull out the furniture polish and get out the floor scrubbing biggie things. This is a little light blessing that happens really quickly. Okay, don't forget that. All right, so the zone is zone 4, the master bedroom, my favorite, the master bedroom, master closet, master bathroom. So look and see what kind of things you need to do in there. If there's clutter, then you're going to work 15 minutes with a timer and stop when you're done. If there's no clutter, then you're going to think of 4 things you need to do, 1 a day, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tuesday is a free day. And say, okay, that's what I'm going to plan. So look at that bathroom shower stall, that tub. Does it need to be washed and scrubbed? Is that something you need to do? That's a deep clean, 15 minute. It doesn't take long as you think, 15 minutes, right? Okay, what else do you need to do? Do you need to vacuum under the bed? Have you done that lately? Right? Or under the furniture? Have you polished your furniture lately? Do you need to turn the mattress? There's loads of things you can do. Make your list from top of the ceiling to the floor. What is it you would have done in here if you could pay somebody to do it? And then do those things. Just one though. Eventually you get them all done and you'll be so happy, and then you'll be saying, I don't even need to clean in here, but that's your inner child. You're always going to clean, but it's just going to be 15 minutes a day, 4 days a week. Isn't that awesome? All right, let me just get back to my payroll fly babies real quick. So, payroll fly babies. All right, so what we're going to do then is think about that basic weekly home blessing hour. How did it work last week? Did you have to do it all on Saturday? Is there somebody you can delegate to? Or can you squeeze in 10 minutes while dinner is simmering? Or while the kids are taking their bath? You know, some time in there to do your 10 minutes. It's really not 10 minutes. That's the limit. Some of the things take 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Remember, we're doing it really quickly. We're not doing a big gigantic clean. We're just doing quick things. All right. And then delegation. You know, these are easy things for anybody in the family to do. So think about it. Do you want to delegate one thing a day? Get it done? Then you won't have that on Saturday. Won't that be awesome? Okay, and for the master bedroom, that is your room. That is something you're going to do. So if you need to declutter that room, or you feel like you have decluttered enough and it's no visible clutter, then you can start doing your deep clean, just like I explained with the at-home fly babies. Now, how are you going to do this? Well, you're going to go home from work, because none of this can be done except for delegation. You can totally delegate while you're at work. You can say, okay, I want Mary to do this and Jimmy to do this, and I want my husband to do this. I'll do this, then we can all do this. You write it down, and when you get home and at dinner tonight, when you're sitting down, you're going to have the discussion. These are the things I want you to do. Because on Saturday, I want us to have fun together, and I'll still have to do XYZ on Saturday. Okay? All right. So when you come home from work, you're going to start your laundry. While the laundry is running, you're going to go through your paper, remember, 3 to 5 minutes, really quick, and then start supper. Once supper is on the stove simmering, you have 10 or 15 minutes, maybe more. You could do your 10-minute or less weekly home blessing item, and you could do, if you don't have clutter in your bedroom, you could do 5-minute deep clean in there, a 5-minute deep clean. So you could get it all done while supper's simmering. Or if you can't and you've got decluttering to do, then you can either choose to save up 4 decluttering sessions for Saturday. That's 1 hour, but you have to do it. You have to time yourself. Or you could start doing it during the week a little. Maybe you don't want to do it every night, but maybe some nights. Okay? All right. And then for everyone, we're going to do the before bed routine for ourselves and our children after we do our after dinner routines. Forgot that. You don't get off the hook so easy. So we're going to do our after dinner routine where the kitchen is cleaned and the dishes are put in the dishwasher, and the sink's wiped out, the countertop's wiped off, the stove is wiped up, anything on the floor is picked up, and the table's wiped off, right? And then before bed routine is the kids pick up their stuff and put it away. And if they have anything in the living room as far as plates or cups or their bedroom, they need to go in the dishwasher. It's part of it. Remember to inspect what you expect and make a wonderful plan for tomorrow. And I will see you on Tuesday. And remember that you are beautiful. Bye.